Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to find saved password in your mobile. The method is very easy and simple. If you are new, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's go to your mobile phone settings, click on setting option and go to search bar in settings. Search here password manager. I am using an older version mobile which is not showing password manager in search bar. I will go through it by scrolling, go back and I will search that option. Scroll down and click on Google option here. When I click here you can see there is option of password manager. Some mobiles don't have this option. You can use another method. Click here. Here all these apps are available which password are saved. I will go back and I will come there with proper method and proper channel. You have to click on all services. Here click on all services. Now scroll down and search an option of autofill and password. Click here autofill with Google. Here you can see there is option of password in bottom. Click on that password option. Here you can see all the apps are available here. These are those apps whose password you have already saved. I will click on any one of the following. You have to put your mobile phone password. Here you can see there is option. You can see all your login and passwords are here. First of all, there is username and at bottom you can click on this I button. You can see on your mobile screen it will show your password. Due to privacy, I am not showing that option. You can delete or edit your password with easily with this method. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video. Please keep supporting me.